Most people think summer destroys container plants, but the reality is wrong combinations and poor setup cause most failures. When heat hits, weak plants struggle, but the right choices actually thrive and grow faster. If you understand these smart combinations, your containers won't just survive, they'll look better than any other season. Build bigger containers for better survival. Ferns, caladiums, and ivy grow much healthier when planted in larger containers. Bigger pots hold more moisture, which prevents soil from drying too fast in extreme heat. This simple change reduces watering stress and keeps roots stable throughout summer. Use heat-proof bloomers that keep flowering. Lantana is one of the toughest flowering plants that thrives in intense sunlight and dry conditions. It keeps blooming continuously and attracts butterflies, making your space lively. Once established, it barely needs attention, making it perfect for beginners. Grow herbs that love summer conditions. Mint grows fast in containers and handles both sun and partial shade with ease. It prefers moist soil, so regular watering keeps it fresh and bushy. Growing it in pots also controls its spreading nature, making it more manageable. Before we continue, if you love gardening and want access to our exclusive plant guides, advanced tips, free ebooks, and premium videos, make sure to join the Balcony Garden Web membership. Members get special members-only content that we don't share in regular videos. So join now and take your gardening skills to the next level. Combine tough flowering plants together. Geraniums, Calibrachoa, and Macedonia create a powerful flowering combination for summer containers. These plants love sunlight and produce vibrant blooms for a long time. Removing faded flowers helps keep them blooming continuously. Add evergreen structure to containers. Boxwood paired with seasonal flowering plants adds structure and elegance to your setup. It stays green all year and adapts well to container life. This combination balances beauty with long-term stability. Focus on foliage for low maintenance. Cast iron plant, Coleus, Caladiums, and ivy create a rich visual display without relying on flowers. These plants thrive in shade or partial sun and need less frequent watering. Their contrasting textures make containers look full and attractive. Create a tropical look easily. Palms combined with bromeliads and ivy instantly give a bold tropical feel. These plants tolerate heat well and grow in both sun and partial shade. They add height, weight, color, and structure to your containers. Use climbers for vertical beauty. Mandevilla vines grow beautifully in containers and bloom heavily in hot weather. They need support to climb, which adds height and visual interest. Proper drainage and sunlight help keep them performing at their best. Add bright color with classic flowers. Geraniums bring bold colors like red, pink, and white, making containers stand out. They tolerate heat well but perform best with occasional watering. A little shade during extreme heat improves their growth. Use versatile heat-loving plants. SunPatiens combined with Pothos and asparagus fern create a vibrant and adaptable container mix. These plants can grow in both sun and shade, making them very flexible. Regular watering keeps them lush and healthy. Add elegance with shaped plants. Waxleaf privet topiaries paired with creeping jenny and seasonal flowers create a clean, stylish look. These plants handle both sun and partial shade easily. They're perfect for entrance or decorative areas. Go for tropical combinations. Mandevilla, papyrus, elephant ear, and sweet potato vine create a bold tropical container. These plants thrive in full sun and grow quickly in summer. Keeping the soil moist helps them stay lush and vibrant. Create a cottage-style look. Lantana, impatiens, Coleus, and creeping jenny together give a soft, natural garden feel. These plants work well in both sun and partial shade. Their mix of colors and textures makes containers look full and lively. Add long-blooming summer flowers. Zinnias are perfect for containers because they bloom continuously from spring to frost. They love sunlight and grow easily with basic care. Cutting flowers encourages more blooming. Design containers with fern focus. Kimberly queen fern, kangaroo paw fern, caladiums, and ivy create a refreshing green container. These plants thrive in shade and stay lush with proper feeding. Fertilizing occasionally keeps them vibrant. Use succulents for low-effort gardening. Echeveria, sedum, and string succulents store water and survive extreme heat easily. They need minimal watering and thrive in well-draining soil. These plants are perfect for busy gardeners. Plant succulents in gravel for better drainage. Mixing succulents and gravel improves drainage and prevents root rot. These plants enjoy full sun and dry conditions. It's one of the easiest ways to maintain a healthy container. Grow large flowering plants in containers. Impatiens grow beautifully in large containers and produce dense blooms. They prefer partial shade and regular watering. This setup creates a rich and colorful display. Use bold architectural plants. Sago palm adds a dramatic look with its unique foliage. It grows slowly but stays strong in containers. Proper drainage is important to avoid overwatering. Choose easy, multiplying succulents. Hens and chicks spread quickly and fill containers naturally. They thrive in well-draining soil and require very little care. These plants are perfect for beginners. Create bright tropical color themes. Elephant ear, SunPatiens, Persian shield, and angel vine create vibrant combinations. These plants thrive in warm conditions and add bold colors. Regular watering keeps them fresh. Grow a functional herb garden. Basil, rosemary, and lemongrass grow well in summer containers. They provide fresh ingredients while enhancing the garden's look. Proper sunlight and watering keep them productive. Use desert plants for extreme heat. Agave thrives in dry, hot conditions with very little watering. It grows best in well-draining soil and shallow containers. This plant is perfect for low-maintenance setups. Add cactus for tough conditions. Cactus plants survive extreme heat and require minimal care. They grow best in full sun and sandy soil. These are ideal for drought-resistant containers. Use tropical wall containers. Pothos, arrowhead vine, and fern create lush wall-mounted containers. These plants prefer shade and humidity. They add greenery to vertical spaces. Create cool color combinations. Scaevola, plumbago, and Echeveria create a soothing blue and white theme. These plants tolerate heat well and look elegant. Proper drainage is essential for healthy growth. Mix fine textured plants together. Calibrachoa, ageratum, ivy, and string of pearls create a delicate look. These plants add depth and softness to containers. Good air circulation prevents disease. Fill window boxes with greenery. Holly fern, caladium, heuchera, and vinca create lush window displays. These plants grow well in partial sun. They provide consistent greenery and color. Add reliable summer bloomers. Marigolds are strong plants that bloom continuously in heat. They require full sun and occasional watering. Deadheading improves flowering. Use heat-tolerant flowering plants. Dragonwing begonias grow vigorously and bloom non-stop in warm weather. They prefer partial shade and humidity. These plants create a rich, full look. Add colorful trailing flowers. Calibrachoa produces small, colorful blooms that last long. It tolerates heat and light dryness. This plant is perfect for hanging containers. Create a tropical flower display. Hibiscus produces large, bold flowers that thrive in summer heat. It needs regular watering to stay healthy. This plant adds a strong visual impact. Use drought-tolerant ground cover plants. Portulaca grows well in dry conditions and blooms brightly. It prefers sandy soil and full sun. This plant is perfect for low-maintenance edges. Grow vegetables in containers. Tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants grow well in summer containers. They need space, sunlight, and consistent moisture. This setup makes gardening both useful and productive. Once you understand these combinations, summer stops being a struggle and becomes your biggest advantage. The right plants, proper containers, and simple care techniques can completely transform your results. Try these ideas, and your container garden will stay healthy, vibrant, and full all season long.